Being here today is part of routine visits to counties to assess the level of preparedness in dealing with COVID-19 pandemic, and also to determine areas of support needed in various counties in order to offer the requisite assistance to upgrade the level of readiness and preparedness. Upscaling capacity at the county level is of great importance, particularly now that community transmission of the virus has been established. At the national level, our primary focus has been to escalate both the capacity and capability of our healthcare systems. You will recall that in the early days of this pandemic, we had only a handful of testing laboratories, and Wellcome Trust Kilifi was one of those facilities. Today, we can boast of more than 25 testing laboratories distributed across the country, which are playing the important role of detecting the virus. Testing is an important part of case management because it is only by knowing where the virus is that appropriate interventions can be deployed. I'm delighted to note that as a country, we have made significant progress in the fight against the virus, a situation that has contributed to the de-escalation of restrictions and opening up of the country. However, as articulated by His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta early this week, the opening of the country does not in any way suggest that we have now contained the spread of the virus, and that is exactly what the governor has also told us today, and which is a fact, that we did not open up because we have defeated the virus. We opened up because we believe that the citizens of this nation, if they work with us and follow the rules, regulations, as we have explained from the Ministry of Health, from the county governments, from the national government, then we are ready to tackle it all together. Considering that the country has been on a semi-lockdown for several months, the easing of restrictions was necessary to allow for other economic activities to be restarted. However, this also shifted the responsibility of complying with the containment measures to individuals. And I want to thank you, Governor Kingi, because you have emphasized on this matter from the word go, from when it started. And if I were to, at the risk of embarrassing Governor Kingi, to say that he is one of the first people to call me on this issue of the virus, and one of the first people to actually go on self-quarantine himself in the country.